Ron called me. He said, hey, what are you doing? And I said, I'm really busy. Don't have time to. And he's like, oh, hold that thought. Why don't you go get the truck and the flatbed and meet me up there at the highway farm and let's move some hay bales. And I was like, sounds good. Sounds real good. It's not that big of a deal. So just kind of sitting in the truck, really chasing him around. Here he comes. He's over there. I'll show you what he's doing in a minute. But all of our fields have waterways in them. I think every field has at least one. Some have up to 7. If you saw my double crop bean video, there's some pretty rolly fields that we've got that have a lot of waterways. We bale all of that stuff for hay. You can kind of see behind me. Sorry. But yeah, all this was mowed around all these fields, and we bale that up and feed it to our calves in the winter. So that's what we're doing now. We're done hoeing corn for the year, and we've already picked up a lot of bales, but we still have some farms that have them laying around. So that's what we're doing. We're getting them picked up before they get rained on. I will try to explain to you guys kind of what this is right through here, and it goes all through the field over that way. These fields have a gradual roll to this side and a gradual roll to this side, and then all down through there. It's higher up there by those trees. You can kind of see the hill of that cornfield. There's a hill over here, and I mean, you wouldn't think just a little bit of rain, but I mean, if you get an inch or 2 that's really fast, the bottom of this will fill up, and it'll come in through here, and it runs down there, and then it goes out across the highway over there, and it gets all the water off of our fields. But anyways, we put these big rocks in here, and this will help keep the ground from eroding away. That water's going to come hauling in here really fast, and it's going to hit all these rocks and kind of slow it down, so to speak, and it'll slow it, you know, it'll slow it down when it gets in there, and it'll gradually go on down there. So it might come in through here pretty fast, but then when it gets through here, it should slow itself down a little bit. Oh, crap! Little speed demon on our hands. Nice one, Ron. Good job. Good one. guys, thanks for watching this video. I forgot to do another ending. But anyways, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And comment below and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.